Welcome back to Clean Tech Talk. Today we are strapping in for a deep dive into the world of jet ski battery maintenance. We've gone through the source material, the manuals, the pro notes, and our mission is pretty simple. We want to find the shortcut to charging smarter, preventing that awful dead battery feeling, and really extending your battery's life.
And we have to start with the absolute foundational rule.
Mm.
It's really non-negotiable. Before you even plug anything in, you have to know your battery type. Is it a classic lead acid?
The flooded kind.
Exactly. Or a sealed ADM, or, the newer lithium-ion ones. Using the wrong charger for the wrong time. I mean, it's not just bad for the battery. It can be a serious fire risk.
Okay, let's unpack this.
Yeah.
Why can't I just use a regular car charger? I mean, it's bigger, it's heavy duty. Isn't power just power?
That's such a common question, but the sources are really clear on this. You need a dedicated marine or power sports charger.
Why though? What's the real difference?
Well, for one, they're built to survive in a damped environment, so corrosion-resistant parts, water-resistant housing. But the crucial thing is how they deliver that power. A car charger is designed for a big battery. It can blast it with a high initial current.
Which is too much for a smaller jet ski battery.
Way too much. It generates heat, and that just shortens the lifespan and can even void your warranty.
Wow. Okay, so the
Hello.
warranty too. That alone is worth it. So if we're getting the right marine charger, what are the must-have features?
You're looking for smarts, really. Automation. Automatic shutoff, or what's called a float mode, is number one. You don't want to overcharge it.
Right.
Then a battery type selector. You have to be able to tell it if you're charging an AGM or lithium battery.
And reverse polarity protection, I assume, for people like me who might hook it up backwards.
Oh, absolutely. But the real key insight, especially for these jet ski batteries, is the amperage. You want to stay small.
It's small.
Keep the output between, say, 1 and 5 amps, anything higher than that, and you're essentially cooking those smaller cells from the inside.
That low amperage thing, that brings up the whole smart versus manual charger debate. Manual ones are cheap, but they sound like a lot of work.
They are. You have to monitor them constantly. If you're someone who might forget, a smart charger is, it's absolutely worth the investment.
It just handles everything.
Yeah, it minimizes all the risk. It's got the auto shut-off, the trickle modes. Think of it this way. Is it better to spend a bit more now or $150 on a new battery every single year?
That's a great point. Okay, so we've got the right gear. What about the actual process? Safety and frequency.
Safety first, always. Charge in a well-ventilated area. Those batteries can release gases.
Goggles, gloves, the whole deal.
Okay.
And double check the terminals. Red to positive, black to negative.
Don't guess. And
Yeah.
never, ever try to charge a frozen or obviously damaged battery.
And how often should you be doing this?
The rule of thumb from the sources is to charge it before and after a ride, if you're going out weekly. But the real problem is the off-season, storage.
Right. What's the plan for that?
You have to use a maintainer at least once a month or a trickle charger every couple of months. It's all about preventing sulfation.
Sulfation. That's the big scary word.
It is. It's when these tiny crystals build up on the battery plates when the charge is low for too long.
And they just kill the battery's ability to hold a charge.
They block the flow of electricity exactly.
Right.
That gentle, periodic charge keeps them from forming and helps you get that full 3 to 5 year lifespan. And if we connect this to the bigger picture, proper charging ensures that longevity, but charging is only half the battle.
So there's more.
There's always more. The charger is the unsung hero, for sure. But diligence and actual maintenance is just as important.
Like what? What are we talking about?
Simple stuff. Store the battery in a cool, dry place. If you can, get it off a concrete floor. And clean the terminals. A simple baking soda and water paste can fight off all that corrosive buildup.
And I've heard you should never let it go completely dead.
That's maybe the single best piece of advice. Avoiding those deep, total discharges is how you keep its capacity high for years.
So the real takeaway is you have to treat the battery like the performance part it is. It's not just a box of power.
Exactly. It's about reliability on the water. A good battery means your whole machine is more reliable.
And as a special thank you to our listeners, you can now enjoy 10% off your next purchase at Iolith. Just use the promo code AOLITH2025 at checkout. That's AIOLITH 2025. Don't miss out.